Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A75, and today I will show you how we can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, we're gonna pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles and locate the hotspot toggle. For me, it is visible right over here. Once you see it, first time around, I recommend holding it, as this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize things like, for instance, the password. Also, without navigating here, you have no way of knowing what the password is actually set to by default. So we're gonna select our hotspot password, and I'm gonna just completely get rid of it. Come on. There we go. And I'm gonna set up my own password, which, as you can see, has at least 8 characters length. That's how many it needs to have at least. And you can click on OK to save the changes. Rest, I recommend keeping it as it is, as this ensures that the hotspot works with the widest array of devices. And if you don't know what this is, it's set by default in what you could consider as a compatibility mode. In any case, once you close this, we can now find the toggle once more. And this time around, all you need to do is just tap on it to enable it. One more thing is, when enabling hotspot, it will turn off your Wi-Fi, as it's using the same antennas for both, and you can only do one at a time. So when using hotspot, no Wi-Fi. But don't worry, once you're done using your hotspot and you turn it off, Wi-Fi will automatically boot back up. And additionally, in the settings, I think there was an option so your hotspot will turn off automatically under more settings. Yep, after 10 minutes of an activity. So even if you forget about it, the device will turn it off for you. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.